Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us in verse number 2 that you should not cooperate with each other to fulfill something wrong or sinful, to fulfill something that is harmful or filled with enmity. When someone calls you towards enmity of another person who's innocent, Allah says, don't help them to achieve something that's wrong. We should never be helping people to achieve something wrong. And similarly, we should only be assisting each other to achieve something that is rewarding, something that is righteous and good, correct and upright. So Allah says, وَتَعَاوَنُوا عَلَى الْبِرِّ وَالتَّقْوَى وَلَا تَعَاوَنُوا عَلَى الْإِثْمِ وَالْعُدْوَانِ وَاتَّقُوا اللَّهِ. Cooperate with one another, help one another when it comes to righteousness and God consciousness, and do not help one another when it comes to sin and enmity.